So again, a rather convoluted question. We've got a sphere with diameter x. We've been told its volume. And we've got here a pyramid with a rectangular, note not square base, but all these sides here are of equal length. And we're asked to find the total surface area of the pyramid. So what surface areas we've got? Well, we've got the first surface area down here, the base. Now, because 2x and x are different, there's an x up here and there's another 2x here. So I'm going to call this face area 2 and the face at the back, this guy here, face 3, because 2 and 3 will not be the same. Okay, let's first of all sort out x, because we can get x from the volume of a sphere. So I can say that 4/3 pi r cubed, so this is x over 2 cubed, must be equal to 288 pi. The pi's cancel. So multiplying this out, I get 4x cubed divided by 3 multiplied by 2 cubed, which is 8, so this is 24, is equal to 288. The 4 goes into the 24 8 times, and therefore x cubed is equal to 8 times 288. And it turns out that x is equal to 12. A reasonably pleasant answer from those more awkward numbers. To find the areas of these faces, we really need to find the perpendicular height, which is this line here. And to find that, we can form a right angle triangle. We know the height of the pyramid, and we know this distance to be x over 2. So we can use Pythagoras to find this. Let's call this h1. Okay, therefore, h1 squared is equal to 5x squared. 5 times x, well, we know x is 12, so this is 60 squared, plus half of x squared, which is 36. And if you work that out, h1 is equal to 6 root 101. So let's do the same for the other pair of faces with x as their base. I want the distance of this line, and I can find that by using this right angle triangle, and I'm going to call this h2. So therefore I can say h2 squared is equal to, again it will be 60 squared, plus in this case half of 2x, which is x squared. So this is 144. And again, if you work that out, h2 becomes 12 root 26. So we know the heights of both these faces now, so we can do the big addition of all these surface areas. So the surface area is equal to, let's just get the base out of the way. The base is 2x squared, x being 12, so this is 288. And now the two area 2's. So we've got 2 of half the base times the height, half the base being 2x will be x, which is 12, so this is 2 times 12 multiplied by our height, which is 6 root 101. Plus, now the other faces, so this is the red face and the back face as well, so this is again 2 of them, half the base, which is 6, times the other height, which is 12 root 26, which is equal to 2469.4408. On it goes, and they want it to the nearest centimetre, or 2469 centimetres, and that's to the nearest centimetre. And that's your answer.